Hey, what's up, guys? We're here to do our two-box SPX 2015-16. So I'm just going to show you that we're taking this from a fresh case. All right, bust this case open, and what we're going to do, I think, is we're going to do a random to see which two boxes we're going to use. Okay, that's the case. I'm going to roll the dice, actually. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, so we're going to use this side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 don't count. 1. So we're using this one. This is still 2, 3, 4. 6 doesn't count. 1 doesn't count. 2. We're using the second one right here. These two. Throw them up there. All right, guys. Good luck. You all know your teams. Just bring this down a little. All right, guys. Good luck. Yeah, for Montreal Canadiens and Mike Condon. Nikolai Goldobin for the Sharks. Jaromir Jagr for the Panthers. Nathan McKinnon for Colorado. Nick Shore for Los Angeles. We got a Nikolai Eller for the Jets, retro jersey. Mattis Janmark for Dallas, trilogy update. Artemi Panarin for Chicago. For Toronto, Antoine Bibeau, retro autograph jersey, number to 399. And last card of box 1 is Evgeny Malkin for Pittsburgh. All right, box number 2. Good luck, guys. We have a Byron Froese for Toronto. Sam Bennett for Calgary. Logan Shaw for Florida. Jonathan Toews for Chicago. Sidney Crosby for Pittsburgh. Victor Svedberg for Chicago. And Noah Hannafin for Carolina. jersey. Sorry about that, guys. We have Aaron Ekblad for Florida. Jake Virtanen, retro jersey. Last one goes to Vancouver. Oh, and I think we got another Canucks hit. Oof, nice. Hunter Shinkaruk. Some sick patches there. Hunter Shinkaruk. This one's number 250 for Vancouver. All right, thank you very much, guys. Got more boxes coming up. I'm going to be posting another 2 shortly. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.